students, this is Nikhat Parveen teaching English in class 4, and today we'll be reading a chapter from the Marigold book, and the chapter is The Little Fir Tree. Children, this chapter is about a little fir tree who is not happy about the way it looks, and the tree does something about it. Now let's see what happens. So let's begin with the chapter. Shetty the magician was returning home when all of a sudden it began to rain. It rained heavily. Shetty looked around for shelter and saw a pretty little fir tree. He ran towards it as fast as he could. So children, there was a magician named Shetty. A magician is a person who does magic. He was returning back home and on the way it started raining. So in order to protect himself, he looked here and there and he found a little fir tree. He ran really fast and stood under the tree to protect itself from the rain. So now let's see what happens further. Soon the rain stopped. Shetty was happy that he did not get wet. "Thank you, you have been kind to me. I would like to reward you. Ask for 4 wishes and I will grant them," said the magician. So children, the rain stopped and Shetty did not get wet. So he was happy that the fir tree protected him from getting wet. So he thanked the tree and told him that he would like to reward the tree and said that it would ask for 4 wishes and Shetty would grant them to the tree. So now let's see what happens next. The sad fir tree had leaves like needles and no birds ever made their nest on it. So it said, "I wish I had green leaves like my other friends." So children, since it was a fir tree, it had conical needle-like leaves, and birds do not make their nest on such trees. So it wished for green leaves like other trees. Now let's see what happens next. Next morning, its wish was granted. Soon a goat came along and ate all the green leaves. "Oh dear," said the fir tree, "I wish I had gold leaves, as goats do not eat gold leaves." So children, the next morning the tree found its leaves to be green like others. But then after some time a few goats came and started eating the leaves of the tree, and it did not like it at all, and it wished that it had leaves of gold, that goats do not eat gold leaves. Now let's see what happens next. When the little fir tree woke up the next morning, it was surprised to see the golden leaves. "How happy I am," it said. "A man came along and stole the gold leaves. I wish I had glass leaves instead. Men do not steal glass leaves." So again, when the next morning the tree woke up, it was surprised that its leaves have become golden, and it said that it was very happy. Then after some time a man came and started stealing the leaves of gold. The tree said, "I wish I had glass leaves, because men do not steal glass leaves," because it was very annoyed. The next day its glass leaves shone in the bright sun. "How happy I am," it said. At night the wind blew hoo hoo. All the glass leaves broke. So the next morning its leaves were of glass. It again said that it was very happy, but at night something happened. The wind blew and all the glass leaves of the tree broke. It was very sad. Now let's see what the tree did next. "Oh dear," said the fir tree, "I like my old needles like leaves best, for goats do not eat them, no man can steal them, the wind will do them no harm." So children, The tree said that I like my old needles as they were the best, because goats do not eat them, men do not steal them, and wind can do them no harm. So at last the tree wanted its leaves back. Now let's see what happens. The tree went to sleep. When it woke up the next morning, it had all its needles back again. "Oh, I never was so happy," said the little fir tree. So, when the tree woke up the next morning, it saw that its leaves have come back, and it said that it was very happy. Children, this story gives us a message that we may or may not like ourselves, but whatever we have, whether it is our looks or our personality, is the best we have, because we all are unique in ourselves. Now here are a few difficult words: magician, pretty, needles, leaves, and stool. Children, here is a small worksheet. Kindly solve it. Goodbye.